Namaskar, I'm Suresh Kaushal from Navgrah Manthan, addressing you about India and world's future after China's involvement on Indian LAC, South China Sea, South China Sea, possible confrontation with the United States of America. Here I will be discussing five very important horoscopes of five dictators and a possible dictator, Xi Jinping, President of China. There are stark similarities. If we go through their horoscopes based upon their birth date, available birth dates, and if we peep into their past, we will look into their past, we evaluate their stars and horoscopes based upon Parashari system or Sanatana Vedic system of astrology, Hindu astrology, stark similarities, realities, and so surprising that I felt like discussing with all my viewers about it. First of all, what are the similarities? Similarities between Xi Jinping with Stalin, Mao, Hitler and Mussolini. As per Hindu system, star sun is aspected by Saturn in all the horoscopes, all the five horoscopes, be it Xi Jinping, be it Mao, be it Stalin, Hitler, Mussolini, all five horoscopes. In Hindu system, sun is treated, sun is seen as spiritual star, star of light, star of positivity, star which kills evil, star which kills any infection, star which is honest, everything is transparent, exposed. Whereas Saturn is dark, shadowy, cruel star, hidden star, star of secrecy. So star of light, star of transparency is aspected by star of secrecy. A cruel shadowy star, star which rules night. Saturn rules night, sun rules day. Just opposite. So in all the five horoscopes, star Saturn is aspecting star sun in all the horoscopes. Other thing is star moon. Star moon is related in Hindu astrology, is related to your emotional mind, your feelings, your passion, your kindness. So all emotional platform is related to star moon. The star moon in all the horoscopes is either aspected by Saturn or Rahu. Rahu in effect is seen in Hindu astrology as good as Saturn. There is a saying Shani Vate Rahu, Kuja Vate Ketu. Means Rahu is like Saturn and Ketu is like Mars. Shani Vate Rahu, Kuja Vate Ketu. So moon is aspected either by Saturn or Rahu. Again, in all the horoscopes, third star is star of violence, military actions, fights, wars. In Hindi, one simple word hinsa, violence, is related to Mars, star Mars, which is in Hindi called Bhav or Mangala. In all the horoscopes, star Mars is either in its own sign Aries or Scorpio, or is aspected by Saturn. Aspect of Saturn on Mars makes it many times furious, many times aggressive, very, very fiery. In its own signs, its own sign Aries or Scorpio, it makes it very violent, nature aggressive, because star moon is already suppressed, star Saturn is suppressed, star sun is suppressed. So spiritual power is suppressed, secret. Moon, star of emotions is totally suppressed. A star of violence is exposed in all the five horoscopes. What Mao did, 2 crore people were liquidated when Mao was the president. Okay, I am speaking now one by one to all the horoscopes. First, I am taking Benito Mussolini. Date of birth is 29 July 1883 and in Italy, possibly born at 12 o'clock. Date of death is 28th April 1945. What are the similarities? What are his star positions? Possibly born in Libra ascendant. Mars, Sun, and Saturn, as I discussed, are all together. Moon is with Saturn, Mars is with Saturn, and combining the evil influence of all the three, Saturn aspecting Sun. So he was a very violent military dictator, ruled Italy for a long time, and he was a close confidant and close friend of Adolf Hitler in Second World War. Both of them liquidated thousands and hundreds of lakhs of people in war. So in his horoscope, Rahu and Ketu are together. There is a Sarp kind of yoga. Mars, Moon and Saturn are together aspecting Sun. So no passion, no compassion, no kindness, no spirituality. Only thing is single-minded approach of winning over territory, because Mars rules territory also. Bhumiputra Mangal. Mars is to do with son of earth in Hindu astrology. Bhumiputra. So single-minded focus on winning territory of other nations. So this was Mussolini. Now next horoscope I can take is Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler, very special horoscope, born 20th April 1889, Brennau, Austria. He was born in Austria, died on 30th April 1945. He was possibly born in the afternoon. What is his horoscope? Born in perhaps Cancer ascendant. Saturn is in the Cancer, Moon, Jupiter and Ketu. They are aspected by Rahu. So he was believer of his own law, his own emotions were all under control. Important thing is Rahu aspected by Moon aspected by Rahu and Mars, Sun, Venus, all aspected by Saturn. Here Mars in Aries, Sun is in Aries and aspected by Saturn from Lagna, 10th aspect, and totally very violent star combination of Sun, Mars, Saturn opposition. Mars is aspecting Saturn, Saturn is aspecting both Mars and Sun. So very violent. Moon is with Rahu. So he was very emotional for Nazi supremacy. He was very emotional in his personal life. But he was very violent when it came to Jews. Concentration camps and liquidation of Jews is very important in the history of Germany whenever we discuss about Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler's horoscope I am keeping slightly little more discussion when we discuss Xi Jinping. There are some similarities between two individuals. Third horoscope I am taking is Joseph Stalin, born in Georgia, 18th of December 1878, perhaps 12:30 time. Their times are not given, but based upon my experience, I am trying to figure out their possible ascendants, Lagnas. Born in Georgia and he expired on 5th of March 1953. He is very notorious for Siberian camps. Lakhs of people were killed in those camps, concentration camps. What is his horoscope? Possibly born in Capricorn ascendant. Moon is in Virgo, aspected by Saturn from Pisces, straight away. And Sun, Venus and Mercury, all three aspected by Saturn. The Sun, Venus and Mercury are in Sagittarius. 10th aspect of Saturn hitting Sun. 7th aspect of Saturn hitting Moon. Mars in Scorpio is its own sign. Mars in Scorpio in its own sign, aspecting the 5th house mind. So very violent mind. Never believed in any kind of law, justice or anything. So soul is totally secretive, spiritual powers, evil kind, emotions almost zero. Only emotion, destroy your enemies, occupy territory of others. So he is a very dangerous dictator was. So similar traits like that of Hitler and Mussolini. Now let me come to fourth horoscope. That is Mao Zedong. Mao Zedong, the person responsible for China's emergence as communist nation in 1949. He was born on 26 December 1893, perhaps 10 hours in the night, in Changsha-Fu, China, and he died 9th of September 1976, Beijing. What is the horoscope? Perhaps born in Singa Lagna, Saturn is exalted in Libra, aspecting Sun. Here is important, aspecting Sun in Sagittarius, and his moon in Cancer is aspected from Saturn. So both Sun and Moon in his horoscope are also aspected. Aspect of Saturn is there. Saturn is extremely powerful. Mars is in Scorpio. Again, see the star Mars is in Scorpio. Scorpio Mars is very violent, aspecting his actions. His 10th house is all execution of power, execution of everything. So Mars is very powerful. Here, similar thing is happening. So in this horoscope, Mao is notorious for killing 2 crore people, that is 20 million people, in cultural revolution before his death. So very, very violent individual, no compassion, no love, no kindness, nothing else. No spiritual enlightenment, killed so many people. Now let's come to the main horoscope, that is Xi Jinping, Chinese Prime Minister of the day today, Xi Jinping. There are so many similarities in Xi Jinping and Adolf Hitler and US horoscope. 3 horoscopes are very important. Xi Jinping is born on 15 June 1953, perhaps 12:30 in Kanya Lagna. In his horoscope, Saturn is in Lagna like Adolf Hitler. In his horoscope, Sun, Mars, Mercury is Lagna Lord, all in 10th house in Gemini. All these stars are aspected by Saturn. In both the horoscopes, Sun, Mars are together. In both the horoscope, Mars aspects Saturn, Saturn aspects Mars. And in both the horoscopes, Rahu aspects Moon. In Xi Jinping's horoscope, Rahu is aspecting Moon and Saturn, Mars aspecting one another. Saturn is aspecting Sun, Mars also. This means Sun, Mars, Mercury in one house, Gemini, and Virgo, Saturn, Moon in Cancer, ruling aspected by Rahu. Same similarities in Adolf Hitler's horoscope, Saturn in Lagna, Sun, Moon, Mercury in the 10th house, Moon in 6th house aspected by Rahu. Stark similarities, similar traits. So what India finds? Only good thing for India is your own Prime Minister Narendra Modi is born on 17 September 1950, 11:20, Mehsana, Gujarat. Somehow this individual star's sun is very much exposed. That's why he is very God-fearing. Now Bhagwan Ram is Suryavanshi Ram. He is going for Bhumi Pujan of that deity, that God, Ram. These are the traits exposed. The way he did everything for farmers, the way he did everything for poor, for children, for nation, is all the way totally different from the 5 individuals I discussed. Only difference is he is very powerful individual, physically, mentally, legally very organized, emotionally very organized. His emotions don't affect his actions, which are very, you can say, legitimate, keeping in mind welfare of people. So Modi can take on. Now, what is the threat to India and world from Xi Jinping? Surprisingly, Xi Jinping's horoscope and US horoscope have got certain similarities. So US horoscope is 4 July 1776. And Saturn, like Xi Jinping, is in Virgo. Sun and Mars, like Xi Jinping, are in Gemini. Rahu and Ketu in both the horoscopes. In Capricorn and Cancer, here Moon is in US horoscope, Moon is in Capricorn. In Xi Jinping's horoscope, it is in Cancer. Stark realities. So, more than India, Xi Jinping treats US as main adversary. His fierce ambition is to overtake US in near future militarily, economically, in every possible way. He wants to emerge Superman. He is, I think, as dangerous as Adolf Hitler and as dominant like Stalin, Zheng, Mussolini, etc. Xi Jinping, why there is a lurking danger to US or India? See, he took over in 2017 after Doklam problem in 2017 in the Moon period. The period was good for him, so he took over as President of China for rest of his life. In his horoscope, Mars period has started from 15 September 2018. From this date, he has become very aggressive. So he will be in confrontationary mode with US and other countries till 2025. And the real serious period is emerging from his horoscope, that is Mars Saturn period, which is starting from March 2021 to September 2022. So Xi Jinping, India cannot take lightly. His territorial ambitions, PLS territorial ambitions, you can't take lightly. It's going to be very aggressive. And he is not threat only to India, he is major threat to US also. Because US is going through Sadesati period. US condition from January 2020 to January 2023 is slightly difficult. COVID is hitting maximum US. US economy is hit. That's why it's very difficult to maintain long-term military operations in South China Sea or other areas vis-a-vis China. So that's the problem for US. But US economy is almost double to China. US forces are very, very strong. Only thing is, Xi Jinping appears to be in a suicidal mode because Mars period is going on from 2018 to 25. Mars is 8th lord, killer for him. So he ultimately may lose his power. He may not be seen as a president of China after 2025. That is the March 2025. You will not find him as the Chinese president, Xi Jinping. So India has to be very wary. Whatever be the talks on borders, LAC, Indian and Chinese forces, Xi Jinping is not in a mood to go back from Pangong and other areas. Xi Jinping's territorial ambitions are very much exposed. Next year, March onwards, real threat to India lies. I will be speaking about India-China war possibilities in another video. Thank you very much.